I'm Hari Rangarajan, a developer advocate at Solace. Today, I'll show you a real-time agentic solution for a request for code system that allows enterprises to optimize their code process and provide high-quality, validated, and timely responses to these requests. The request for code, which looks very simple at a high level, is a very complex business process requiring data from multiple systems like product information management or PIM, SAP systems for pricing and availability, third-party shipping partners for shipping estimates and timelines. A typical RFQ flow looks like this. There is an incoming request which is passed on to the Solace Agent Mesh orchestrator. It can look something like, give me a quote for 10 units of product A, given my customer ID and other payment and shipping terms. The Solace Agent Mesh orchestrator delegates this task to a code builder agent, which is set up to handle these requests and is aware of the underlying agent which it needs to collaborate with. The code planning agent first queries a retrieval augmented generation or RAG agent, which talks to an underlying PIM or product information management system and gets information about the required product, including cross and upselling opportunities, dimensions, etc. Next, it interacts with the SAP Joule agent, which queries underlying SAP tables for getting pricing conditions, taxes, availability to promise, sourcing warehouse details, etc. Lastly, using the responses from the above agents, it checks with the shipping agent and gets cost estimates and timelines for shipping the product from the sourcing warehouse to the customer location, complying with their shipping requirements. What you get at the end is a code that is fast, high quality, and coherent across solutions. What you see here is our Solace Agent Mesh Web UI entry point. It enables you the same chat experience as many AI chat tools on the market, but in our case, it is using data that comes directly from the underlying agents that we just discussed. I am going to put in this code request with all the other information that I feel that is relevant for me as a customer. As you can see, our chat message has been dispatched to the orchestrator for handling. The orchestrator makes use of an LLM to identify and delegate the task to the code planning agent. The code planning agent immediately starts talking to the underlying agents like PIM, the SAP Joule agent, and the shipping agent that comes up with a consolidated response for the quote request. Here we have a complete consolidated response for our quote request with all the parameters and details that we had requested. This is just one example of integrating multiple agents built in different technologies across different platforms using Solace Agent Mesh. Thank you for watching.